DMR Training is a construction training provider, providing training and qualifications to the construction industry across the UK. I started it in January 2013 when we started realising in this country that we was facing a real problem with skills gaps in construction. DMR Training offers training and qualifications in construction and green skills ranging from level 1 health and safety qualifications to level 7 NVQs in construction, so that ranges from being an operative on site to a supervisor at level 3 to a manager at level 6 and a senior manager at level 7.
With DMR, people tend to go above and beyond what they do at other training providers, in that they will work with the learners, could be in the evenings, could be in the weekends, could be additional support, which is a big thing, certainly with the knowledge questions, where they might record them, they might break them down into small segments, and just putting the learner at ease and going the extra mile.
People should choose DMR because all the assessors have got a construction background. Dave has obviously a construction background. He was a plasterer, I was a plasterer, so there is a lot of knowledge around construction. We do other training ourselves, so the assessors get upskilled as well. So I think that really does support people who are already on site, that they've already got that knowledge as well when they're doing their assessments.
DMR, it's a family. It's a family company as such. We're all quite close-knit. There's a lot of working as a team, working together, helping each other out. And again, that sort of portrays itself back onto the learner journey as well.
The great achievements are our numbers, and I don't say numbers as in financial numbers as in the people we've helped. Simply put, when I'm putting business plans together, it revolves primarily around the number of people we've helped, or we want to help, and the number of companies we want to help. Everything else I've always said is a byproduct. Yes, we're successful and we've won awards, we've developed as a company, our staff base, our financials, everything's grown substantially over the years, but the people we help, from the people that do qualifications to the support we provide for social value, we monitor the number of lives we've impacted, which is the main core of what we do. If you're looking to develop yourself within construction, at DMR we care about you.